Hey everyone, I'm Jennifer, and today we'll explore practical ways to speak English fluently without fear.
Even if you feel nervous, shy, or worry about making mistakes, these simple tips and fun exercises will help you gain confidence,
speak naturally, and improve every day.
I know it can be frustrating to know some words and grammar, but still feel frozen when you need to speak. That's why in this video, I'll show you practical strategies you can start using today. These tips will help you gain confidence and speak fluently and enjoy speaking English without worrying about mistakes. Make sure you stay with me until the end, and because I'll also share a special tip most beginners don't know that can completely reduce fear and make speaking English feel natural. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss beginner-friendly tips to speak English confidently and fluently. Let me ask you a question. Do you feel nervous speaking English because you're afraid of mistakes or being judged for your pronunciation or grammar? Or maybe you freeze in conversations and find yourself translating from your native language, which makes your sentences slow and awkward? If you've ever felt this way, don't worry. Today, I'll share 5 powerful steps to help you speak English fluently. And the first and most important step to speaking English without fear is to accept that making mistakes is a normal and necessary part of learning. Because every fluent speaker started as a beginner who made mistakes. Remind yourself daily that mistakes are proof you are learning, not proof you are failing. And try to speak even if you are unsure about grammar or pronunciation. The more you speak, the faster you learn. Keep a positive mindset by replacing thoughts like, I can't speak English perfectly, with, I'm practicing and improving every day. Accepting mistakes removes the fear of speaking, builds confidence, and helps you focus on communication instead of perfection and the key to fluency. Step 2 is about practicing speaking out loud every single day, because fluency comes from using English regularly, not from memorizing grammar rules or words silently. Talk to yourself about your daily activities or thoughts. I am cooking breakfast. I am planning my day. Record yourself speaking for 1 to 2 minutes and listen carefully, not to judge, but to notice small improvements and areas to practice. Use simple sentences and common phrases instead of worrying about complicated grammar. Try to speak without stopping, even if you repeat words or take short pauses. This helps your brain get used to forming sentences quickly. Speaking out loud every day strengthens the connection between your brain and mouth and helps you produce English naturally without overthinking, which reduces fear over time. The third step is to think in English instead of translating from your native language, because translation slows you down, increases hesitation, and creates fear of saying something wrong. Start with simple thoughts. I am hungry. It is sunny outside. Describe your actions mentally throughout the day. I am walking to the bus stop. I am opening my laptop to check emails. Ask yourself simple questions in English. What will I eat for lunch? Where should I go after work? Gradually, your brain will start forming sentences in English automatically, which reduces hesitation and builds fluency. Thinking in English helps you speak faster, more smoothly, and with confidence. Step 4 is listening, repeating, and shadowing, which helps you improve pronunciation, rhythm, and natural intonation, all of which are essential to speaking fluently without fear. Watch short English videos, shows, or podcasts that are simple and interesting. Listen carefully to how native speakers stress words, connect phrases, and pause naturally. Pause and repeat sentences aloud, trying to match pronunciation and intonation. Use the shadowing technique. Speak at the same time as the speaker, copying their speed and rhythm. Focus on enjoying the process, not perfection. When you mimic real English speech,
your brain and mouth learn how sentences flow naturally, which increases fluency and reduces fear of speaking. The final step is about starting with small, manageable goals and celebrating each success, because confidence builds gradually.
and noticing progress motivates you to keep speaking without fear. Begin with short conversations or sentences rather than trying to speak for long periods. Begin with short conversations or sentences rather than trying to speak for long periods. Celebrate small wins, like successfully saying a new word, completing a sentence without hesitation, or understanding a conversation. Call these a journal achievements. Keep a journal of progress to reflect on improvements over time.
By focusing on small, achievable goals and celebrating every improvement,
You build a strong foundation of confidence, which allows you to speak fluently and without fear. If you follow these 5 steps, accepting mistakes, speaking out loud daily, thinking in English, listening, and shadowing, and starting small while celebrating progress, you will gradually speak English fluently and confidently without fear. Comment below, what is the first sentence you are going to speak today? I'll read your comments and give feedback.
and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for daily tips to improve your English fluency and confidence. Thanks for watching, and remember, sec, tech. The more you practice, the more confident you become.
And speaking English fluently without fear is completely possible for every learner. See you in the next video.